Okay, today we have another package, another excitement actually for our channel, I can say. We got something exciting for our van when we are in the bigger cities or when we are hooking up our boat. We got our boat too, so we can use this device. Let's see what is this inside this box. Yes, wireless rear camera system. So this one, while I'm opening it and unpackaging it, I'm gonna explain why I decided to have this one. So it's been a while. I've been looking for some convenient stuff while we are in the bigger places and tight places. So we have something help us backing up and parking and stuff like that. So this I came across this system. It's very easy to hook it up and very easy to use it. So first of all, this one is itself the camera. You put it in the back. This one here is a solar. You can you don't need charging it that much if you are in a place with the sun out. And I'm gonna demonstrate it one by one when I'm unboxing everything. Okay, as I showed you, the camera also has a screen as well. So this one also, the screen of it. So let's take the box away and see what we got. Here we have two antennas. I'm pretty sure the bigger antenna gonna be outside, the smaller antenna gonna be inside based on the room. So first of all, we're gonna just, because they are going to communicate with each other, so based on this, it should be just like this. And after that, this mechanism to hook it up on the windshield. And here the buttons, which is, I'm gonna demonstrate it better. And the second one, obviously, is a antenna for the rear, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be just like so. I didn't mention this one also. This bag is very powerful magnet. When I'm going outside and hook it up or attach it to a van, you guys will see what I'm talking about. I am not decided yet. I'm gonna put it in the back or on top of the van because here is very adjustable. You see this screws, and you can just adjust it the angle as you wish, and then just screw it in. And it's simple as it is. And here the button to run the camera, and here for the screen there's a wire, there's a adapter, and this wire comes in. You're gonna just plug it in your car and just power it up and go from there. Also, they sent a antenna. I'm pretty sure this one gonna be for the inside screen. If they don't speak, the camera and the and the screen, they don't speak with each other. You have an extension antenna. You're gonna just, you know, put it outside of your vehicle, because some people, they use it for the longer trailers, which is, I can say this is like 3-foot antenna. Like it has this 3-foot wiring, so you can put it outside of your vehicle and they can communicate with each other easier. But our van is very, very short and small, and I'm pretty sure we don't need to use this, but I just wanted to demonstrate to you guys and show you. Also, there's a extra antenna they send it with it. For the rear camera also, they send this USB-C wiring. I recommend, before you use it, just go ahead and charge it, which is like right here. You open it and you charge it, and then here's a button to turn it on. First of all, charge it and then go use it, because you know, sometimes you might just run to places you don't have that much of the solar. So first have a 100% charge and then go from there. And one thing actually I forgot about the screen, I tell you guys about the USD memory. So I wouldn't use it, but I want to just let you guys know there's a memory card. You can record your videos and then go from there. So we're gonna go, after charging the camera, we are going to take it to the van and give it a try there. Okay guys, so right now is the time after fully charged, and right now is the camera I started running for demonstration. So first of all, I'm going to show you how strong this magnet is. Just see what I'm talking about. I am not exaggerating. Just, you know, it's not easy to take it away from the car. So I'm gonna put it on top of the van, and then we go inside the cabin, we hook it up, and we start driving it a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys what this system looks like. I will put it right here on top of the van, as you see guys, just for demo. You see, it's not easy to take it away, honestly. You just, you know, I'm forcing it, not coming out, just like so. I'm gonna put it right there, and we're gonna go inside the cabin and we do the rest. You just put your charger, the lighter, just, you know, just like so, run it. When you push the button, just the light turns red, and then you hook it up with the screen. I'm gonna show you, just like that. If I can do it one hand, gonna be awesome. Just like so. So right now the screen has a power. Here we are, and I can see behind the van very easy. So I'm gonna put it on the windshield, and we're gonna go for a drive, and you guys gonna see the quality of the camera. So you guys see, it's all hooked up and I'm ready to go. So while I'm driving, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like in the driving. So it's just very easy, simple. Just hook it up there on the windshield and good to go. So here's a demo of while I'm driving. I'm pretty actually happy with the quality of the picture. And also, sorry if you guys see that black piece, because it is a Chevy, and Chevy has that trimming. So if I wanted to use it for hooking up, I can just, you know, be easy, it and put it on the doors till hook up the boat, and after that I'm gonna just put it on top of the van, and I can see behind me very clear and without any needing any wiring and stuff like that. If the video have helped, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next